So Unite isn't just another conference, it's our annual chance to come together as the Aptean family. So customers, partners, colleagues, innovators, all here to learn, share, and yes, have some fun. We will have some fun, I promise you that.
We invited you here to be challenged, be connected, be inspired, because we want you, as our customers, to get the most value possible from the investment you've made in us.
It's really about, right, how you approach it. So hopefully over the next 2 days, you'll see a lot of use cases, and we try to bring the best of AI and best of what we do. We always do the industry expertise to make it a phenomenal tool for you and to transform your business.
We have to go back to the drawing board and ask ourselves two very fundamental questions about AI first, because it isn't a cure-all. The first is, what problem are we trying to solve? And after you figure out the answer to that question, the second one is, who does it benefit?
Aptean isn't just imagining what's possible. We are delivering it. Our commitment is very simple. We don't just deliver AI, we deliver AI that works for you, right? For your business, for your company.
Going with your team to do a series of photos, videos, and trivia type challenges for the next hour.
I saw grown people lying on the ground taking selfies.
So if we roll through the numbers with App Central, we have rolled out the foundational experience to 8,000 of our customers. That equates to 33,000 users, and we've received 10,000 cases via the new platform so far. So as you heard from TVN and Jenny, we're just getting started with AI capabilities in App Central.
Elevate your game. Climb high and no retreat. Stand tall, eyes on the horizon shore. Fueling our focus, reaching for more. We share the spark, fan the flame. Unite to achieve, elevate your
Feedback so far has been phenomenal. If you have negative feedback, go to Sean Nambo. I'm only taking positive right now. I'm only taking positive. So. All right. With that, we have a special treat tonight. We got a nice little show for you, and we're going to do that next. And I want everybody to have a great time this evening. Make sure you hit the dance floor later, and have a great night, all right?
achieve, elevate your game. Climb higher, no retreat. Feel the heat under your feet. Elevate your game, set hard and go. Push to the edge, let passion roll. Momentum builds as we rise to acclaim. Unite as one, elevate your game.
Awesome. Active.
The future.